So today I'm breaking down Vanguard and Fidelity. And by the end of this video, you'll know which one gives US investors the most powerful tool. But before we compare fees, features, and platforms, there's one tool that almost no beginner uses. And it can literally change how fast your portfolio grows. I'll show you that in just a moment. Let's start with this. Vanguard is about simplicity and long-term investing. If you love index funds, low cost, and set it and forget it mindset, Vanguard was practically built for you. Vanguard is a client-owned firm with around 10.4 trillion in assets under management. It's best known for pioneering low-cost index funds like VFIAX and VTSAX. Admiral share expense ratios typically about 0.04%, but most require a $3,000 minimum investment. Vanguard also recently slashed fees by 20% across many mutual fund share classes, saving investors hundreds of millions. It's ideal for long-term passive investors, but it lacks some modern trading features. But here's the first transformation moment. Vanguard's automatic investment tool quietly builds your portfolio even when you stop paying attention. Most investors don't even turn it on, and that alone can change your entire growth curve. Now, Fidelity, it's more modern, more flexible, and comes with a toolkit that feels like it belongs in 2025. Fidelity's stock screener and fund analyzer instantly show you which investments match your goals. Tiny settings that can save you for hours, and they're completely free. Fidelity manages over 13 trillion in assets and offers both passive and active fund, including the popular FXAIX, with an expense ratio as low as 0.015% and no minimum requirement. Fidelity also offers a lineup of zero expense ratio index funds like FZROX and FNILX. They charge about $0 commissions on trades, options at $0.65 per contract, and no annual account fees, unlike Vanguard, which applies a $25 fee in some scenarios. But here's the part no one talks about. Fidelity has a powerful cash management system with fast transfers, ATM access, and zero account fees, making it feel more like an all-in-one financial hub instead of just a brokerage. Now, remember the hidden tool I mentioned earlier? It's automatic tax loss harvesting alternatives. And while Vanguard doesn't automate it, Fidelity gives you tools and alerts that help you optimize taxes without manually tracking everything. This is where many beginners accidentally lose money without realizing it. So which one is better? If you want the lowest cost index funds and a platform built for long-term stability, go for Vanguard. If you want modern tools, faster features, richer research, and more control, Fidelity wins almost every time. And that's it. That's my quick review of Vanguard versus Fidelity. If you want a full setup tutorial for either platform, let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe for more simple investing guides.